Let's unbox the new PH-ZLL HB1200 handheld blender. 8 variable speeds turbo blending preset, pulse function for short bursts of power. 800 watts all copper motor with low noise level. Ergonomic and compact design. Non-scratch silicone bases prevent damage to pots. BPA-free food grade. The emulsion blender handheld mixer with stainless steel blades help you blend and puree to a super smooth texture in minutes, whisk and chop in seconds. Easy to switch attachments with 360 seamless connection to securely use the blender attachments. 304 stainless steel material, easy to clean, all accessories are dishwasher safe. Perfect for whipping cream, beating eggs, soups, chops vegetables, meats, baby food, smoothies, sauces, purees. Just check my yellow basket and comment section for more details.